Have you ever stopped to think about what drives the investment decisions of a billionaire like Mark Cuban? Keep watching, because today we're going to talk about the investment world of Mark Cuban, a self-made billionaire whose moves in the market could give us a glimpse into the future of technology, business, and innovation. Stick around, because this is not just about numbers and names. We will understand the mindset of one of the most successful investors of our time. From his early days of selling garbage bags door to door to owning one of the NBA's top teams, the Dallas Mavericks, Cuban's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. But what's more intriguing is where he's putting his money now. We're talking about investments in disruptive tech, his bold moves in the crypto and NFT space, his support for small businesses, and his strategic plays in the S&P 500. This is a man who knows how to stay ahead of the curve, and by understanding his strategies, you might just find something useful for your own investment decisions. Disruptive technology and blockchain. All right, let's jump right into the heart of Mark Cuban's investment strategy, focusing on disruptive technology and blockchain. Now, when we talk about disruptive technology, we're referring to innovations that significantly alter the way businesses, industries, or entire markets operate. And Mark Cuban? He's not just riding the wave, he's often the one making the waves. Cuban's interest in blockchain technology is a prime example of his forward-thinking approach. For those who might need a quick refresher, blockchain is essentially a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. It's the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its potential goes way beyond just digital currencies. So why is Cuban so interested in blockchain? It's simple. He sees it as a game changer, a technology that can revolutionize everything from financial transactions to supply chain management, and he's putting his money where his mouth is. Cuban has invested in multiple blockchain startups, showing his belief in the technology's potential to disrupt various industries. One of his notable investments is in a company that leverages blockchain for digital identity verification. This isn't just about logging into your email securely, it's about creating a world where your digital identity is as reliable and verifiable as your physical one. Imagine the implications for online security, e-commerce, and even voting systems. But Cuban's interest in blockchain isn't limited to just startups. He's also vocal about the role of cryptocurrencies in the future of finance. While he maintains a realistic view of the current volatility in the crypto market, he's optimistic about the long-term potential. He's not just throwing money at every crypto project, though. His investments are strategic, focusing on projects that have a clear vision and a practical application. Now let's talk about how this affects you and me. Cuban's investments in blockchain are a strong signal about the technology's potential. It's not just about making a quick buck in the crypto market. It's about understanding how blockchain can change the way we do business, manage data, and even interact with the government. For investors and entrepreneurs, this means keeping an eye on blockchain developments and thinking about how they can be integrated into current business models or used to create new ones. Let's now talk about another fascinating aspect of Mark Cuban's investment portfolio: cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. Crypto and NFTs. Now, for those who might be new to these terms, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security, while NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of a specific item or piece of content, typically on the blockchain. Cuban's dive into the world of crypto and NFTs is more like a strategic deep-sea exploration. He's not just randomly picking coins or tokens, he's looking for projects with real substance and potential. One of the key reasons Cuban is bullish on crypto is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by governments and financial institutions, cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized network of computers. This decentralization offers a level of freedom and flexibility that's hard to find in conventional financial systems. Cuban sees this as a major plus, especially in a world where digital transactions are becoming the norm. But it's not all smooth sailing. The crypto market is known for its volatility, and Cuban is well aware of this. He's experienced the ups and downs firsthand, but rather rather than being deterred, he views these fluctuations as part of the journey in a new and evolving market. His advice: do your research and understand what you're investing in. It's not about jumping on the latest trend, it's about seeing the long-term potential. Now let's talk NFTs. Cuban's interest in NFTs goes beyond just buying and selling digital art. He sees NFTs as a way to revolutionize content monetization and ownership. For creators, this means having more control over their work and potentially earning more from it. For consumers, it's about having a verifiable piece of digital history. Cuban's investment in platforms that facilitate the creation and sale of NFTs is a testament to his belief in their potential to change the game. So what does all this mean for us? Well, Cuban's involvement in crypto and NFTs is a signal that these technologies are more than just passing fads. They're part of a broader shift towards a more digital, decentralized world. Whether you're an investor, a creator, or just someone interested in the future of digital assets, Cuban's moves in this space are worth watching. All right, let's pivot to a different yet equally important aspect of Mark Cuban's investment strategy: his support for small businesses. Supporting small businesses. This is where we see a different side of Cuban, not just as a tech-savvy investor, but as a champion for the underdog, the dreamers, and the doers who are the backbone of the economy. Cuban's approach to investing in small businesses is more than just writing checks. It's about identifying potential in the early stages and nurturing it. He's not looking for the next big thing in every investment. Sometimes it's about believing in the vision of a passionate entrepreneur and giving them the tools to succeed. This is evident from his long-standing role on Shark Tank, where he's invested in a wide array of small businesses, from innovative food products to unique services. One key aspect of Cuban's investment in small businesses is his focus on sustainability and social impact. He's not just after profit, he's looking for businesses that make a difference, whether it's through eco-friendly practices, community involvement, or creating jobs. This approach resonates with a growing trend among consumers who prefer to support businesses that align with their values. But why should we care about Cuban's investment in small businesses? Well, it's a masterclass in understanding market needs and consumer trends. Small businesses are often more agile and innovative than larger corporations. They can adapt quickly to changing market conditions and consumer preferences. By investing in these businesses, Cuban is tapping into a wellspring of innovation and creativity. Moreover, Cuban's support for small businesses is a reminder of the importance of entrepreneurship in driving economic growth. These businesses are often the testing ground for new ideas and concepts that can eventually transform entire industries. For aspiring entrepreneurs and investors, Cuban's strategy offers valuable lessons in identifying potential and fostering growth. Moving on, let's delve into another crucial part of Mark Cuban's investment portfolio: his strategic investments in S&P 500 stocks. Strategic S&P 500 investments. Now, this might seem a bit more traditional compared to his ventures in blockchain and startups, but there's a method to the madness. Investing in S&P 500 stocks is about understanding the value of stability and long-term growth in a well-rounded investment strategy. Cuban's approach to investing in S&P 500 stocks is not about chasing the hottest stock or the flavor of the month. It's about identifying companies with solid fundamentals, strong leadership, and the potential for sustainable growth. This is where his keen business acumen comes into play. He's looking for companies that are not just performing well now, but have a vision and strategy for the future. But why does this matter to us? Well, Cuban's investment in S&P 500 stocks is a reminder that in the world of investing, balance is key. While it's exciting to invest in the latest tech startup or jump into the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, there's also value in having a foundation of stable, reliable stocks. These investments can provide a buffer against market volatility and offer steady growth over time. Shark Tank Insights. Mark Cuban has not just been a judge, but a key investor in Shark Tank, shaping the dreams of many entrepreneurs. His role on the show gives us a unique window into his investment philosophy and decision-making process. Cuban has invested over $22 million across various ventures on the show, and this isn't just about money. It's about understanding the mind of an investor who's always on the lookout for the next big thing. Cuban's investments in Shark Tank are a diverse mix, ranging from innovative food products to cutting-edge technology. In 2022 alone, he offered two $1 million investments to food companies, signaling his belief in the potential of the food industry. But it's not just the industry that catches his eye, it's the people behind the ideas. Cuban often invests in entrepreneurs who show passion, determination, and a clear vision for their business. This human element is crucial in his decision-making process. What's fascinating about Cuban's Shark Tank investments is his willingness to take risks on unconventional ideas. He's not afraid to back a product or a service that might seem outlandish at first glance. This risk-taking is balanced with a keen sense of market trends and consumer needs. Cuban is adept at identifying products that resonate with consumers even before they hit the mainstream market. But it's not all about instinct. Cuban's investments are backed by thorough research and analysis. He often dives deep into the business model, marketing strategy, and financials before making a decision. This meticulous approach is a crucial lesson for any investor or entrepreneur. Success is not just about having a great idea. It's about having a solid plan to make that idea a reality. Cuban's impact on Shark Tank extends beyond the investments. He often provides valuable advice and mentorship to entrepreneurs, even those he doesn't invest in. This aspect of his role on the show highlights the importance of knowledge and experience in the business world. It's not just about the money, it's about the guidance and support that can help a business thrive. As we've seen, Mark Cuban's investment strategy is as diverse as it is dynamic, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. In our next videos, we can also talk about how Cuban's investment philosophy has evolved over the years, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more insights into the world of investment and innovation. And before you go, let us know in the comments which of Mark Cuban's investments surprised you the most. Your insights could be the highlight of our next discussion. Thanks for watching.